Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mustafa bin Muhammad Zabki. My metric number is 14 DKM 23F1054. So today I will present about flood phenomenon in Malaysia, East Coast. So flash floods have become increasingly common in Malaysia, especially during the monsoon season, affecting East Coast states like Kelantan, Terengganu and Pahang. The December 2021 flood was a major event, displacing thousands and causing extensive property and business losses. These floods result from heavy rainfall over short periods, worsened by poor drainage, blocked rivers, rapid urbanization, and deforestation. Urban expansion with impermeable surface prevents water absorption, increase flood risk. Further introduction to flood impact and preparedness. First, flood consequences. Damage to homes, vehicles, roads, business interruption, health risk from contaminated water and loss of life. Preparedness challenge. Many areas lack proper drainage and early warning systems, leaving residents with little time to react. Engineering responsibility. Engineers must develop safe, smart and sustainable solutions, incorporating nature-based design like parks and tree planting to absorb rainwater. Innovative engineering solution for flood control. Green infrastructure. Rain garden absorb rainwater, reducing runoff. Permeable pavement allow water to seep into the ground. Green roof slow rainwater and cool buildings. Urban parks and wetlands act as natural sponge. Smart flood management technologies. First is smart tunnel. Dual-purpose tunnel for vehicles and floodwater diversion, closing to traffic during floods. Floodgates and storage tank. Modern gates and tanks temporarily hold water, releasing it slowly to prevent rake overload. Third, long-term benefits. This solution protect the environment, reduce costs, and provide lasting flood control. And then, Malaysia Green Technology Master Plan 2070 until 2030. Master Plan goals promotes green, smart solution cross-section, including energy, water, waste, transport and building to support sustainability. And second, flood-related innovations. Green building collect and reuse rainwater. Smart water system use sensor and auto diverters. And third is waste management. Keep drains clear to prevent blockage. That's all from me. Thank you.